Kourtney is here to share a little bit about the university's top-tier STEM program and the type of collegiate support JSU offers. She's a sophomore biomedical engineering major from Montgomery, Alabama, and a member of JSU's W.E.B. Du Bois Maria Luisa Alvarez Harvey Honors College. Take it away, Kourtney.
Thanks for the introduction, Desi. Growing up in a family full of scholars, I've always had high expectations for my college experience. When searching for my higher education home, it seemed like nothing was the right fit for me. That is, until I learned about Jackson State's renowned STEM program. As a biomedical engineering student, the challenging nature of my major demands a lot of my time and attention. From studying to homework, it often seems like there aren't enough hours in the day. But the motivation that my peers and professors provide keeps me going and pushes me to the best of my ability and beyond. With the help of the JSU biology and engineering community, not only have I been able to maintain a 4.0 GPA, but I was able to secure a paid internship as a freshman, which has helped me get a jump start in my career. Additionally, I've become a member of multiple honors programs, including the W.E.B. Du Bois Harvey Honors College. This freshman-focused organization acknowledges its members' hard work and offers several rewards. From scholarships that help members with their school payments, internships within numerous career fields that help members gather insight on their chosen career, Honors College's main goal is to help ensure that students have all the knowledge and experience that they need by the time they graduate. Additionally, the Honors College provides a variety of networking opportunities and study abroad programs. As a Black woman in the STEM career path, I understand that my road ahead will not be the easiest. But with the help of the JSU bioengineering community and the Honors College, I know that I'll be ready for any bumps or blockades that come within my path. Hey Desi, back to you.
Kourtney, it sounds like you have a great community and wonderful opportunities in your future. Between your engineering peers, the Honors College, landing internships and scholarships, we look forward to what you will accomplish. Keep bringing home that 4.0 GPA. Kudos to you, Kourtney.